Hi guys! So for today, we're going to discuss the programming essentials in Python part 1. It's time to go ahead and start writing real Python code. It's very simple. So I'm going to show you some fundamental concepts and terms. These snippets of code won't be serious to complete. Alternatively, launch IDLE or idle, create new Python source live, filled it with the code, name the file, and save it. Now we can go ahead and run it. Right. So I'm going to show you the first program the first program that consists of the following parts. So here are the program that consists of the following parts. Right. Right. So we have here the word print, an opening parenthesis, a quotation mark, and a line of text, hello world. Okay. So here's an example. The print hello world. Right. So and this on the picture I've shown you, right? So the word print that you can see on the previous picture I've shown is a function name, right? So that doesn't mean that whenever the word appears, it is always a function name. So the meaning of the word comes from the word context in which the word has been used. Again, on the picture I've shown you earlier, so there, if you still remember, there's the word print, an opening parenthesis, a quotation mark, a line of text, hello world, another quotation mark, and a closing parenthesis. Okay. You've probably encountered the term function many times before, right? So, and can contain, and during the math classes, or you can probably always also list several names of mathematical function like sine or log. A function is a separate of the computer code able to cause some effect, right? So this is something that's completely unheard of in the world of mathematics. You can also evaluate or a value or some values, right? So on this one, this is what make Python's function the relatives of mathematical concepts. Where does the function come from, or the functions come from? They may come from the from Python itself. Okay, so the print function is one of these kinds, such as function is an added value received together with Python and its environment, right? You can also write them yourself, placing as many functions you want to read inside your program to make it simpler, clearer, and more elegant. Right. Right. So the Python functions, on the other hand, are more versatile. Depending on the individual needs, they may accept any numbers or of arguments, as many as necessary to perform their task. Please note that any of the number includes 0. Some Python don't need any argument. Okay? And in spite of the numbers needed or provided arguments, Python functions strongly demand the presence of a pair parentheses, opening and closing ones respectively. Okay? The only argument delivered to the print function or delivered to the print is the example, or in this example is a string. Okay? Again, let me show you the example of a string. It can always looks like this one. Print hello world. And that's the output. so we don't have any time. We'll discuss more further on our next video. Thank you.